Class 4, Subject EVS, Chapter number 8. Chapter name Roots, Flowers and Trees. Topic producing new plants. Today we are going to talk about how the plants produces, how the new plants can grow. A flower is the reproductive part of a plant. Flower. It is used in different type of ways also. But for a plant, it is actually the reproductive part of a plant. By the plant, always the seed produces and the new plant can grow from that seed. So plant is a reproductive part of a plant which helps a plant to grow in a new one of the same plant. The process of making new seeds is called reproduction. The process, the method, the action by which the plants, with the help of flowers, they grow the seeds, and with the help of this seed, the new plant grow. So the process, the method by which the flower grows the new seed, that is the reproduction. The stamen and pistil are the reproductive parts. Stamen and pistil both are the reproductive part of a plant. In last class, we discussed about these points. The pollen from the stamen is carried to the stigma for a flower to reproduce a seed. Pollen. These are the actually working to do the reproduction for the new seed. They help in the production of the new seed. So pollen that comes from the stamen and moves to the stigma. They comes from the stamen and move to the stigma. And then after the combination, the new seeds produces. So pollens are present in the stamen and they move to the stigma. Pollen is like fine yellow dust which is carried by the wind, water or by insect. Pollen that are actually the yellow color and their shape and size is like the dust. You can know that the dust is very small particles. So just like it, the pollens are also. They are very fine and they are of yellow color. And that pollen is carried by the wind, water or by insect. Means by the help of wind, water or insect, these pollen moves to the stamen, to the stigma and the new seeds produces from the flower. Now flowers in everyday life. You know that the plant is very useful for us and definitely its part are also very useful for us. We eat the flowers. There are different type of flowers present which we use as a food. We can eat the flowers of different type of plants. We make perfumes from flowers. You know that the flower has a sweet smell and because of its property, its quality, the flowers are used to make the perfumes, soaps, lotions and all extra things in which the sweet smell is necessary. Good smell is compulsory. Extracts of flowers are used for making cooking oil. We are using also flowers to make the cooking oils. With the help of these flowers, we can make the oil which we use in the cooking also. We use flowers for decoration. Whenever any type of religious festival or acts are taking place in any society or any house, you will find that maximum time the people use flowers to decorate their houses because these are directly connected to the God and these have the very importance in the religious acts also. So flowers are used for the decoration work. And not only the religious, you can also use it in different type of functions for the working of the decoration. We use flowers for show our emotions. We are using the flowers also to express ourselves for show the emotions. Normally you can find out whenever the function is arranged and the guests which are coming, we always will give welcome of the guest by giving them the flowers. So we give them to show that we are respecting, we are giving them respect. So by the help of flowers, we can show our emotions. And not only in the welcoming the guest, there are different type of other emotions which are also related to the flowers. So these flowers are very helping for us. So these were the points which we talked today. Today we discussed the two topics. First was producing new plants and the second was flowers in our daily life. So in the producing new plants, you find that the process by which the new seeds grow, that is the reproduction. The stamen is the male part and the pistil, that is the female part. Both are the reproductive parts of a flower. Pollen that are present in the stamen, they move to the stigma by the help of wind, water or insect, and after that the new seeds produces. And here are the uses which we are doing in our daily life of the flowers. So it's enough for today. I will meet you next class. Thank you.